Let's go to page 308 and let's start with number 457. So this one says, how many different ways can a student guess a complete set of answers to a 5-item true-false quiz? Okay, so you can just make a box for each question. So the first question, you can either answer true or false, so there are two choices. Second question, same thing. So each question you can answer either true or false. Okay, so there are 5 questions, so this would be 2 to the 5 power, and so this is equal to 32. Okay, let's go to 458. Okay, so how many factors of 2 to the 95 are there which are greater than 1 million? Okay, so for this one, first you kind of have to break it down. So 1024 is equal to 2 to the 10th power, and 1000 is equal to 10 to the 3. So 2 to the 10 is greater than 10 to the 3 power. Okay. Then after you square both sides, so 2 to the 20 is greater than 10 to the 6. Okay. So basically what you want to do, you want to find out what is the smallest number that is going to be greater than 1 million. Okay. So you need to get at least 2 to the 20th power. Okay, so now 2 to the 95 power, okay, remember we learned this in lesson, because exponent is 95, so you can choose either 0 or 1 or 2, so from 0 to 95, so this will give you 96 factors. Okay, now if 2 to the 20 is greater than 10 to the 6, and 2 to the 19 is less than 10 to the 6. So this will give you 20 factors. So this is the one you want to substitute. So there are total 96, but 20 of them are less than 1 million, so minus 20, and this will give you 76. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, it says if n equal to 100, you're looking for n plus 1 factorial over n minus 1 factorial. Okay, so this would be 101 times 100 times 99 dot 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 dot. Now n minus 1 would be 99 dot 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 dot. So all this will get cancelled out. Okay, and so this will just equal to 10100. Okay, let's go to 460. 460, what is the unit digit of sum? So you got 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus dot 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 plus 14 factorial plus 15 factorial. So what is the unit digit thing? But 1 factorial is equal to 1. 2 factorial is equal to 1 times 2 will equal to 2, so you just multiply. 3 factorial is 1 times 2 times 3, so just multiply, you get 6. 4 factorial equal to 6 times 4 give you 24. And 5 factorial, this time I give you 120. Now once you reach 5 factorial, after that, the last stage is going to equal to 0. Okay, so it doesn't matter what the rest are, all the unit digits is going to be 0. So all you have to do is just add this together, so this will give you a 3, and you can carry, so the unit digit will equal to 3. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so 461, in a round-robin tournament, each 6 softball team plays with each other. Each other team exactly once. How many softball games are needed? Okay, so there are 6 teams, and it would take 2 teams to play a game. So basically it's a combination. So again, there are total of 6 teams, and it takes 2 teams to play a game. So this is going to be 6C2, and so this will equal to, again, to evaluate the combination, you take the lower number over here. So 2 factorial is 2 times 1, and if there are 2 numbers down here, you're going to get 2 numbers up here. Okay, so basically this is 6 factorial, so, but the 4, 3, 2, 1 will cancel out with the 4, 3, 2, 1 over here. And when you evaluate, this cancels out, so answer will equal to 15. Okay. Let's go to 462. You want to evaluate 10C8. So this is same as this. So there are different way of writing it. So this is 10 choosing 8. So 10C8 times by 6C2 over 7C4. Okay. Now 10C8 is same as 10C2. Okay, because again, if you write out the combination, the higher number is going to get canceled out. So this one over here, so this is same as 10C2, so it will be 2, 1, and this would be 10, 9. Okay. Again, if you use 8, you're going to have it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're going to have all the way down. So 8 all will cancel with all these, so you end up with that. Times by 2, 1, and 6, 5. Okay. So again, the lower number give you the denominator. 7, 4 is same as 7, 3. Okay, so it would be 3, 2, 1. Okay, and it would be 7, 6, 5. Now if you use 4, then you have 4 here, and you're going to get 4 here. The 4 is going to get canceled out. So you end up with the same thing. Okay, so now you can go and start to cancel things out. And this cancel with that. So you're going to get 7, 5 on the bottom. On the top, you're going to get 5, 9, 3, 5. And this will cancel out with that. And so you're going to get 135 over 7. Okay, 463. Okay, you are giving 5 lines and 2 circles in a plane. What's the max number of possible intersection of points along these 7 objects? Okay, so if you have 2 circles, the maximum intersection would be like this, would be 2. Okay? So the circles will give you 2 intersections. Then the first line, if you to draw the line, the first line, you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 for the first line. And in the next line, if you draw it like this over here, you're going to cross the 4th intersection with the circle plus the one with the line before, so it'll be 5. Okay. And it's going to be the same thing. So the next line, you can go like this. Okay. So notice it will intersect circle 4 times with the 2 lines. So it'll be 6. So you can see the pattern. Okay. So each additional line, you're going to have 1 additional intersection. Okay. So 2 from the circle and 4 from the circle. Okay, so each line is going to intersect the 2 circles in 4 spots. And the next line would be intersect the 2 circles 4 times with the line before it. Now this one will have 2 additional and so forth, right? So this will be the 3rd and 4th and 5th. Okay, so now you add all this together, so this would be 10, 20, 32. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, a yogurt shop has 4 different flavors. And 6 different toppings. Okay, if a customer wants to get one one flavor and 2 different toppings. So we want to get one flavor, so it'd be 4 choosing 1. And you want to get 2 different toppings, so it'd be 6 choosing 2. So again, there are 4 flavors, you choose 1. There are 6 toppings, you choose 2. Okay, and so this would give you. Okay, so this would be the 1, 4, and this would be 2, 1, 6, 5. Right. Okay, so the cancel, so it'd be 60. Okay, 465. Number 465. A number that reads same forward and backward is called a palindromes. How many 3-digit numbers are palindromes? Okay, so palindromes. So 3 digits are not too bad. So that means the first digit and the last digit have to be the same. Okay. Now the first digit cannot be a 0. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So there are 9 choices. But whatever digit you put over here, you have to put over here. So you don't have choice over here. You only have one choice. Okay. So whatever you put over here, you're going to put over here. Okay. So you only have one choice. Is follow that. Now the middle digit, it can be any choice from 0 to 9. So there are 10 digits. So you can times by 10. Okay. So therefore, there are a total of 93-digit palindromes. Okay, let's go to 466. Okay. 466. You have a factorial over b factorial, and it's multiple of 4. So you're able to divide by 4, but not multiple of 8. So not divisible by 8. Okay, and what's the maximum value of a minus b? Okay, so for this one, since it's divisible by 4, so that means a has 2 more factors of 2 than b. Okay, and then this one over here, so the combination of these, okay, so not a factor, not a multiple of 8. Okay, or 4 and 2. Okay, so therefore, so you cannot go anything higher than 8. Okay, because anything higher than 8 factorial, then you're going to run into problems. And so therefore, the highest number is 5. Okay, so therefore a is equal to 5, because when you get to 6 factorial, okay, then down here you're going to have problems. Okay, because if it's 5 factorial, then you're going to have. So if it's 5 factorial, okay, then you're going to have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you're going to have a 6, so it's not going to work. Now, if you have 4 over here, then this cancels, then again, it's not divisible, right? And if you have 3, okay, if you have 3, then this cancels. Now you have too many 2's, right? Okay, so you got a 2 here, and you got 2 here. So this is going to be a multiple of 8. So therefore, you cannot have a 6. Okay, you're going to start to run into problems. Okay, so a equal to 5, and then so 5 factorial, then the below it would be the 2 factorial. Okay, because you want to make this as high as possible, make this as low as possible, right? With enough 2's. So this give you 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and give you 2, 1. So that way, when you cancel out, see you got it's multiple of 4, but not multiple of 8. Because if you have another even number, it's going to be multiple of 8. Okay. And therefore, the a equal to 5, b equal to 2, so a minus b equal to 3. Okay. Again, you can try different combinations. This is not going to, you're not going to get anything higher than this.